In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Spotify gift card. By the end, you'll have your gift card applied to your account and your premium time ready to go. First, open your preferred web browser on your phone or your computer. You don't need the Spotify app for this step. In the address bar, type spotify.com/account/redeem and press enter. This is the official redeem page. If you prefer to search, type Spotify redeem and make sure the link you click is from Spotify's own website before proceeding. The page will load in your browser, and it's perfectly fine if you started this from the app. It will simply hand you off to the website for the redemption. Next, sign into your Spotify account. Use the login method you normally use, whether that's an email and password or a sign-in with a connected account. Double check that you're logging into the account you actually want to upgrade or credit. If you have more than one account, it's easy to accidentally sign into the wrong one. Also note that gift cards generally need to match the country or region of your account, and they usually work with premium individual, not student, duo, or family plans, and not with subscriptions billed through certain partners. Now take your physical gift card and gently scratch the panel on the back to reveal the PIN. A coin works well for this. Go lightly so you don't damage the code underneath. If it's a digital gift card, locate the code in your confirmation email or voucher. On the redeem page, carefully type the code exactly as shown. Don't add spaces or hyphens, and watch out for lookalike characters like the number 0 and the letter O, or the number 5 and the letter S. Most codes are one-time use, may have an expiration period, and can't be combined with free trial offers. When the code is entered, click Continue. You'll see a quick summary of what you're applying. Then click Redeem to confirm. If everything checks out, the page will confirm that your gift card has been successfully applied. If you see an error, re-enter the code slowly, verify the characters, and make sure your account region matches the card. If it's still not working, the retailer or Spotify support can help verify the code's status. That's it, you're done. Your premium time or credit is now active on this account. Your next billing date will adjust automatically based on the value of the card, and any existing premium time will simply extend. If you have another card, you can repeat the same process. Enjoy your music, podcasts, and ad-free listening.